All right, I'm gonna show you how to measure the ball. I should have put this part of the video in the beginning because you want to measure your ball before you cut, before you print, before you do anything. This is the very first step. So, but I'm leaving it right here in this video because I already did all my edits and now I'm just adding my voiceover. But I will add this video clipping on my YouTube channel, just this little clip of how to measure, because any craft you do, you have to measure it. You should do your measurement, especially if it's a custom item. All right, for this particular ball, the width is 3.5 inches. Like I said, every ball is different. Yeah, I'm just so happy I got these at Five Below. The balls were the same sizes, but I don't know if every single ball in the world is going to be this size. So just measure your balls, you guys, when you get them, so to make sure that you're not wasting paper. And the height for my ball, I put 13.3 inches.